Hello everyone, it's Extramat. In this video, we will try to solve the following differential equation. Y equals to dy over dx plus d square y over dx square plus d cube y over dx cube plus etc. where the sum continues infinitely. So let's start. In the first step, we will differentiate the both sides of this differential equation with respect to the variable x. So y becomes dy over dx, and dy over dx becomes d square y over dx square, and d square y over dx square becomes d cube y over dx cube, plus etc. Then we add up dy over dx to the both terms of this differential equation to get dy over dx plus dy over dx equals to this term plus dy over dx. So we have here twice dy over dx. So 2 dy over dx equals to this term is equal to y. So the following differential equation becomes 2 dy over dx equals to y. Then we can separate the two variables x and y of this differential equation to get dy over y equals to half dx. Then we integrate the both sides of the differential equation to get integral of dy over y equals to half integral of dx. So ln absolute value of y over c equals to half x. Then we take the exponential of the both sides to get the following solution of the initial differential equation, y equals to k e power half x. This is the solution of the initial differential equation.